Are you ready to upgrade your home's windows in Manhattan, Kansas? Getting your windows replaced with some new fiberglass windows done by Midland Exteriors is the perfect option for you. Let's get you ready for your smooth and stress-free window replacement process at Midland Exteriors. We start with a comprehensive inspection. Our team carefully checks each window, assessing issues like wood rot or trim damage. No quick quotes or high-pressure tactics here. Midland Exteriors' thorough approach means you'll receive an accurate, transparent quote that covers everything. Fiberglass windows are as versatile as they are durable, with designs to suit every home's unique style. From sleek picture windows to double-hung options, these windows offer strength and beauty that lasts, even in Kansas's unpredictable weather. At Midland Exteriors, we believe in clear and firm pricing. When you request a quote, you'll receive an upfront estimate. No hidden fees or pushy sales tactics. We even offer zero-down financing options, making your upgrade more accessible. We maintain clear communication throughout the process, keeping you updated from the initial consultation to the final walkthrough. On the big day, our team arrives to carefully remove your old windows, install the new fiberglass frames, and apply finishing touches like exterior caulking. Finally, we conduct a detailed inspection and guide you through operating and maintaining your new windows to ensure they last. For energy-efficient, beautiful fiberglass windows in Manhattan, Kansas, contact Midland Exteriors today at 855-735-8255 for a free quote.